In this video I'll show you how to add any network to Keplr wallet. To add new networks to Keplr wallet, you can use Osmosis DEX or restake dapp. I'll put the links in the description. First I'll explain how to use Osmosis DEX. Connect your wallet. Go to the Asset tab. Select the network you want to add. Then click the Withdraw or Deposit button. Approve the chain add request in the Keplr wallet. Open Keplr wallet and check networks. Second method is using the Restake app. You can use the Restake app to enable auto compound staking rewards. Select the chain you want to add and click on it. Approve the chain add request in the Keplr wallet. Now I'm showing how to remove added chains in the Keplr wallet. Select any other chain first. Then click the Remove button. Thanks for watching.